Good day, guys. Today we'll be looking at the equation of a curve. Again, forgive my handwriting. Um, alright, so there's a little noting at the top that you should see given the gradient. Given the gradient of a function of a curve dy by dx, we can find the equation of the curve by integration. Now, the constant of integration will depend on the points on the curve. So in order to find that constant, you need to be given a point on the curve. And after you have integrated, you would have substituted your points to find the value of c. Alright, now I ask the question, a curve is such that dy by dx is equal to 4x cubed minus 4x plus 2. Given the curve passes through the point 1, 3, find the equation of the curve. But how do we do that? So, as we said, in order to do that, first of all, we need to integrate the function. So that's gonna be, for that by separating variables, right? So that's gonna be dy is equal to 4x cubed minus 4x plus 2 dx. Alright, let me use the brighter ink. Okay. So let me write back that equation again. dy is equal to 4x cubed minus 4x plus 2 dx. So let us integrate. When we integrate dy, you get y. Y is equal to 4x to the fourth over 4 minus 4x squared divided by 2 plus 2x plus c. Let us clean this up to make it a little neater. So y is equal to x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 2x plus c. Alright, so we have finished integrating. Alright, so now that we're finished integrating, what we're going to do is to plug in the points, the values, using the values of x and y that they've given. So we said that the original values, the point that the curve passes through is 1, 3. Alright, keep that in mind. The point that the curve passes through is 1, 3. So at 1, 3, 3 is equal to 1 to the fourth minus 2 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus c. Alright, so let's tidy that up. So that's 2, 1 minus 2, negative 1 plus 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. So c is equal to 2. You can pause the video and work it out to ensure that it is so. Right? So that's 1 to the 4th is 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. When you transpose that to the other side of the equal sign, then you end up with 3 minus 1, which is 2. So C is 2. Alright, so the equation of the line is going to be y is equal to x to the 4th minus 2x squared plus 2x, and we know what our c is, and that is 2. So we found the equation of the line. So all it takes is integration, finding the value of c and replacing c with its actual value. Alright, so we're going to pause. We're going to look at a CXC question. So let us pause right here. You can rewind the video just to see what you just did. Okay, we are back. Alright, this example is actually a CAPE question. As much as I just copied it, I don't remember what year. It's between 2013 and 2015. Right? So the curve C passes through the point negative 1, 0, and its gradient at the point is given by dy by dx equals 3x squared minus 6x. Find the equation of the curve. Find the equation of C. Same thing. Alright, so in order to find the equation, first thing we need to do is to differentiate. Alright, so that is gonna give us dy is equal to 3x squared minus 6x dx. So let us integrate. So that's going to be y is equal to 3x cubed upon 3 minus 6x squared by 2. Don't forget to add your c. Alright? When we simplify that, we end up with y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus c. Alright, so we need to find the value of c, and the point that they gave us is negative 1, 0. So So we're going to be plugging in these values into the equation to find the value of C. So that's going to be 0 is equal to negative 1 cubed minus 3 times negative 1 squared plus C. That 0 is equal to negative 1 minus 3 plus C. Negative 4 plus C equals 0, so C is equal to 4. So therefore the equation is going to be y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Simple, right? And there you have it. You've done a past paper question in finding the equation of the line, and that was worth 4 marks. Next video coming up with a combination with more than one question. Alright, have a good one.